Hey everyone. A little while ago, I asked you the question of can astronauts hear each other in space? And you guys came up with, yep, they absolutely can. They use their little walkie-talkies. But what if they didn't have their walkie-talkies? Can they make noise to talk to each other? Well, it's kind of like the question of what would happen if you screamed in space? I have a lot of questions about it. You guys were able to answer some of them, but we're going to go into the science of how that works, okay? Have you ever tried to talk underwater? It's hard, but it's definitely possible, right? It all comes out muffled when we try to talk underwater, but definitely possible sound comes out. I want you to listen to this and guess what it is. What is this noise? So I hear water for sure. So something's underwater, but what? What is the thing that's underwater? If you were able to guess whales, you are absolutely correct. Whales communicate to each other, just like we communicate to each other by talking. They are making their noises. That's their form of talking, which is pretty cool. It turns out sounds can travel through water and travel far distances. We're going to say that again. Sound travels through water. What does that mean, though? Have you ever tried playing with paper cup phones? You connect two cups with a string and hold it pretty taut. One person speaks into their cup, and the other person has a cup over their ear listening. You can actually see and feel the vibration of the string as the person talks. So our throats produce vibrations that travel through the string and out the other cup. I want everyone to try this right now. So take your hand, put it just slightly over your throat. Now I want you to make a whole bunch of noises. Talk, all those little weird things. You can actually feel your throat vibrating a little bit. So I want you to try that right now. Just make weird noises in front of your computer. Pretty cool, right? So I know that my throat vibrates, and that's why I can make noise. I know the string in between this cup phone can vibrate, and that's how the noise travels. I know the whale can use the water to travel sound. But are there vibrations in the air when we talk to each other? How can we find out if there are vibrations in the air when we talk to each other? About that. What experiment would you do to see if there are vibrations in the air when we talk to each other?